Welcome back to the Woodshop. Today we're back with the laser. We're climbing inside again today. The fume extraction on this laser is not set up yet. We're waiting for our main dust fume hose, whatever you want to call it, which is going to be more 150 millimeter 6-inch hose. At the moment we have these relatively short lengths which came with the laser, but I've got some 10-meter ones coming from Dust Spares here in the UK. So what we need to do is we've got 2 points for hooking our fume hose up to internally, one for the back of the laser, one for the bottom of the bed, which I think is fantastic. The fume extraction in this laser is really good. I'm really pleased with how they've laid it out. This is the inside of the laser from the side. That's the back. We've got our port here which goes to the rear vents to pull air off the surface of the laser, and that's our connector from underneath the bed to pull the smoke which has been shot through the material. So this is our hose which comes in. It doesn't actually attach to the laser in any way. It's just slides through, which is an interesting design. The ones I've had before have always attached on the back, but this is just sliding through, which kind of makes sense because really there shouldn't be much fume collection underneath here other than through those 2 ports. So I guess first thing we're going to need to do is figure out if I get this pretty straight, say that's connected up here, I probably want to start somewhere here. We're going to have perhaps a start point somewhere like here, and then have this piece cut in on an angle, because that will optimize our airflow between the 2, I think. So maybe something like that as an angle on here. Let's see how these industrial scissors go cutting through this. I don't know if this has got steel rings in it or if it's got aluminium rings, spiral, whatever you want to call it. We'll find out in a second. That's steel. All right. I was quite impressed that Actec included this metallic aluminium duct hose. In all the previous lasers I've received, it's just been plastic, which I'm not particularly fond of. And I know the gases are not that hot and they're not on fire, but if you have an issue, you really don't want to have your ductwork able to catch fire if you're blowing, if you do get a laser fire. You want the ductwork to be able to take the hot gases straight outside and save potentially bigger issues. Okay, so I'm just doing one side for now because what I want to do is get this sort of sitting on there and see how we're looking. I can flip this over and draw a line on the other side. If we haven't screwed this up too badly, this should be able to splice off this without too much of a gap. From the outside, I'm really happy with how that's looking. Now we just need to do the same on the inside. I think I have the entire seam covered inside and out now. I've pressed the tape down on all the edges as tight as I can, so I don't really want to have the airstream coming through here lift the duct tape and suck it through the fume extractor. That's really not going to do the job for us. Back to our side view. This port on the back, very well thought out for getting access. suspect that this is going to be a lot more hose than I want. And perhaps I should have cut this outside the laser. Well, you live and learn. All right, that's done. That was not much fun, but it's in there now, and hopefully there's enough throw in there for the Z to go all the way up and down. And that should be our dust collection, or fume collection, since this is a laser, sorted inside the laser for now. So we just need to wait for our long dust hoses to turn up, and then we can push this through the door. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, I'd love it if you could like and subscribe, and hit the bell for notification. Thank you very much.